Right, now we're up at the front of the van here under the engine. So I'm going to show you the crankshaft sensor and location. Now basically it's on the side of the bell housing. This is a right hand drive 313 long wheelbase 906 Sprinter. So it's on the left hand side of the bell housing on my model. Probably is on left hand drives as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll let you see it. Now you might be able to see it from here. So where are we? If I poke my hand up, that's it there. So that's crankshaft sensor, not camshaft, crankshaft sensor. So that's it there. Basically that's just the plug. The sensor is probably about an inch long and it goes up against the bell housing and into whatever's in there. Now I took that out recently because it runs off a magnet signal. There was a load of filings stuck to it, so I just gave it a bit of a clean and put it back in, but it'll just be rusting bits and pieces. So that's crankshaft sensor, that's what you're looking for there. I'll give you another wee look, closer look, get you right in a boot. So you should be able to see it there. Just kind of not quite on top of the bell housing on the side there. So if you get an error code with crankshaft sensor, that's what you're looking for there. Okay, see you in the next wee one.